Today, it's Wednesday, March 18, 2026. Hi, Mr. Derek. How you doing, sir? All good? You remember the G class here? What have you done over there, Mr. Derek, with the wiring? What you're building over there? Nuclear reactor or what? Okay, so we're done from the car. We start the car. We was waiting for the fuel tank, all right? What was the plan? The plan was to replace this fuel tank because of this broken stud, all right? And at the same time to put this ring that was missing, this black steel ring that has on top, before it didn't have, okay? We found one fuel tank. We agree with the price. Then it passed 1 or 2 days. We sent our driver there to get the fuel tank. And the fuel tank has one dent. It's from an accident. And it has a hit either there or there. I think it's over there. And it's been hit also on the stitches. That means here, where is the connection, okay? So I said, you know what, we are changing this fuel tank because of the stud. We're gonna put the other ones from the accident car. It's not safe. We're talking about fuel, all right? So the owner, he transferred the money for the fuel tank, so we have to give him back the money. That's not a big deal, okay? Not a problem. We're gonna hand him the money back, no problem. But what's the problem? The problem is that we didn't change the fuel tank. We cannot find any other fuel tank. We found one that it was an accident, like I said. We didn't get it. We get this used steel plate for up to apply at least better to equal forces. I massaged a little bit this stud because it was sideways and I wasn't able to put this at the beginning, all right? So I massaged to come a little bit straight. I put the ring, I torque it down. If you're asking me, no, I don't like it. I would like to have all the nuts, but the customer in 2 days, he wants the car, okay? And we cannot find the fuel tank. That's the thing. New fuel tank, it's 30,000 dirham here in this country. And I don't know how long it takes to come here now with this crisis and all these things, all right? So that's how we end up. Now, I have changed the fuel pump. The owner, he doesn't have, this is the old one, by the way. This is the, I think it still has a fuel inside, yeah. This is the old fuel pump. Stay there. I change it. This is the old fuel filter with a fuel regulator down over here, the pressure sensor that was broken. It's not anymore. This is the box. This is the new one, all right, has a date on it. Never mind, you see it's original, you see the box here. And this is the box from the pump, fine. So the owner, he doesn't have a space to get his old parts. Usually the old parts, what we're doing, the parts that are for scrap, we're scrapping it, we're throwing in a barrel. The other parts that it might be 50-50 okay, we are keeping it for a couple of months. Sometimes we're keeping it for a year. So if he comes back, the owner, he can have it. Now, one thing that I want to show you, since it's in front of me, is this is the gas strut, the damper for the engine mounts. All right, we put the new ones. This one, you see that has a wear here, all right? The other one, this one, it's completely gone. Obviously has a wear there because this wear is running, but see. Mr. Jimmy, can you hold, no, Joe, come here to hold it, to see how easily it's opening. All right, so it's not working anymore. We have changed both. This, I don't think so, I put it on the video. All right, so second thing, where is Philip to put on the video the picture of the fuel tank with the dent? Yeah, next they were gonna put the guys the fuel, we found one fuel tank but it's missing this fitting, and this goes to a solenoid. And on the new models they have changed this, they eliminated it, and most probably they put on the charcoal canister, probably, all right? We didn't spend time for that because we're not gonna change all the fuel system of the car. I mean, charcoal canister and lines and all these things to, you have the picture? Yeah. Okay, so this is the fuel, it's missing also the fitting from this one, eh? No, it's here, it's blocked. It's blocked. 1 second. You see that? They put the plug, they have put the plug that is blocking it here. Why they said, okay, the accident was here. So that means it was at this corner. I remember right, it was here. You don't want to put a fuel tank with an accident, with a dent, right? Okay. So the guys, they were gonna put back the fuel tank, we're gonna wash the car, and that's it. And after that, we're gonna release to the customer. I wish to be able to put a used fuel tank, healthy, but good luck to find it. That's it. Do we have to? Well, let me pause it to see if we have to put anything else on the video. I'll tell you this. Now it's applying forces also the ring. Before it was missing this.
This ring was not even there before.
No, it was not. If you watch the video, it didn't have this. You know, they remove completely this. They didn't install it again. They didn't install it because this stud was bent. I make it a little bit straight to be able to pass this through. All right. So if it was not leaking before, we didn't show signs of leak anywhere. Most probably not gonna leak now. But again, the clock is ticking. You know, we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, after a month, after a year. That's the thing. For me, I'm gonna sleep at night much better if there was also this nut here on this stud. All right, but that's me. Anyhow, what's the good thing? It could be much worse.
Yeah.
Why? Because it has a side exhaust. It's not passing the exhaust near to the fuel tank. But again, we're talking about fuel, flammable liquid. All right. So. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. This is just only to inform the owner that sorry about the fuel tank, we failed, we find one. Like I said, you saw on the picture how it is, how it was. Send me the picture, Jimmy, send me the picture. I'm gonna put at the end of the video, you know, to see how it looks like the fuel tank. It doesn't matter, it has a dent. And yeah, you know what's there on it, that the other fuel tank with the accident, they were gonna sell it to somebody and they were gonna install it on a car.
100%. They will find someone and someone will install it. All the other tanks that they have offered us that were not correct or not 100% clean, they will end up in some car.
Yeah, F up. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out. Just an update, like I said. Thank you.